So hello guys, welcome back to my brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix JAWS app not working problem solved. So at first you have to check your data once. If it is not turned on till now, then make sure that your data should be on. After switching on your data, you should come in the Play Store once. After coming in Play Store, you should search for JAWS app. JAWS app. After clicking here in JAWS app, make sure that your app should be updated. If till now it's not updated, then update now. After doing this, come to the setting once and search here for app management. After clicking app management, click in app list. After clicking in app list, search or scroll down for JAWS app. So JAWS app. Your JAWS app. Search your JAWS. So after doing this, tap in the force stop. After clicking there, click in storage uses. So make sure that you should clear this both clear cache and clear data. After clicking in this both, click in the permission. After clicking in this permission, click in the storage and make sure that your app should be allowed. After allowing this, come in the setting once. After coming in setting, in search for the software update. After coming here, so guys, make sure that your system should be updated. If it is not updated till now, then you should update now. So guys, if it is not working still, then switch off your mobile once and turn it on. So thanks for watching this guys. Thank you.